Let's rewrite this expression using partial fractions. Step 1 is to factor the denominator. Notice that the LCD of the denominator is x. When we factor out an x, we're left with x minus 1. This will tell us how many partial fractions we need. We'll need 2. A over x plus b over x minus 1. Next, we multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD. The LCD is that factored version of the original denominator, x times x minus 1. On the left side, when we multiply the original fraction by the LCD, notice the LCD and the denominator are the same, so those are going to go away, leaving us with the numerator of the original fraction, 7x minus 4. Then on the right side, we'll distribute the LCD. When we distribute with the first fraction, the x's go away, leaving us with a times x minus 1. When we distribute the LCD with the second fraction, notice that x minus 1 is going to go away, leaving us with bx. Next, we want to distribute the a to remove those parentheses. So we'll copy the left side, and distributing the a, we get ax minus a plus bx. Next, we group the x terms together. So the left side will keep the same. On the right side, we can group ax and bx. Nothing crazy here, just moving those beside each other. So now we can see the next step a little bit easier, which is to factor out the x, and we'll factor it out on the right side. Now we can set up the system of equations. We'll look for the coefficients on the x terms. On the right side, the coefficient on x is a plus b. We'll set that equal to the coefficient of x on the left side, which is 7. Do the same thing with the constants. On the right side, the constant is negative a, and on the left side, the constant is negative 4. We now have a system of linear equations. We can put this in a matrix. 1, 1, 7, negative 1, 0, since there's no b, negative 4. And our goal is to reduce this in the calculator. So we go to second, matrix, then to edit, hit enter. This is a 2 by 3, 2, enter, 3, enter. Then typing in those entries, we have 1, 1, 7, negative 1, 0, and negative 4. Always double check, make sure there are no typos. Then exit the matrix by hitting second quit. Go back to the matrix, right to math, and we will scroll until we find RREF. Hit enter, and now we need to put matrix A into the RREF function. Hit second matrix, then enter. A is now there. If you want, we can close the parenthesis. Don't really have to. Hit enter, and we have a reduced matrix. 1, 0, 4, 0, 1, 3. And recognize what that is. 4 is your A value, and B is 3. All that's left is to rewrite that original rational expression. 7x minus 4 over x squared minus x, we have rewritten as 4 over x plus 3 over x minus 1.